Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Today, yes, that infamous noise, the 8500W or 8500 or 8900 or whatever 100 jack shaft opener lock mechanism noise. What's going on? It is late. Who is it?
Andrew.
One moment. Video. 4300 with the correct high lift kit, which breaks away from the wall, goes up, turns, and then we got it obviously up as high as we can get it. That's about an inch and a half from the ceiling. Got the big springs up. We customized that with a heavy 2-inch commercial angle piece. Okay, 15-inch radius. We opted to use the kicker as an extra support. So we left that, cut it, put the jack shaft in, so you can see it goes over the doorway. Here we go. I like this LED light on there too, it's kind of slick. So this is a 4300 2-inch thick polystyrene Clopay door. Goes up beautiful. I haven't even seen on the outside. It's your typical Clopay, and we did this with the arched opening, so it'd definitely be done the right way. The old door was hung with just 9-foot verticals or something with a dummy section. It was terrible. But there's the door with the arched opening. We're going to do a couple more in this subdivision in here. We've already done a few. We're doing another one tomorrow. Not with anything in particular special, but some of them are mostly, I think they're all arched openings in here, ain't they? Yeah. All arched openings in this subdivision. There's Old Glory. Arched openings down there, over there, etc., etc. Okay. 4300 is polystyrene 9R value. Nice door. Goes up super smooth with these nylon wheels. We used all the Clopay hardware with this one. The 14 gauge and their nylon wheel. This is battery backup, which is nice. I ain't closed the lid yet. I guess I can close the lid. Give you guys the full effect here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, this ladder's seen better days. I highly don't recommend standing on the top either. One more time, 4300 Clopay with the 2.5-foot adder kit. Innovative, 630-271-9343, www.innovative.Attractive. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Yeah, there's something wrong with this one, so we had to take it out. That happens. There's lemon cars, there's lemon door openers. This one was a lemon. Every time you hit the button, the lock would disengage and then engage. Weirdest thing ever. Anyways, give us a call. Smash the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Drop a like, drop a comment. Question, we'll help you out any way we can. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord.